to endorse this herbal essences Set Me Up Mousse Spray. Smells so delicious. First you shake it, then you spray just a little bit in your hand because it grows. Ready? Zoom into my hand. Look at it grow. Did you see that? Alright. Now that you have this, sorry. Okay, ready. Now that you have your mousse, it jiggles. Boop, boop, boop. Take a little bit and put it in your hand, and rub it in your hair. It holds your hair in place, and it also makes it very hard.
And crunchy. You know what's even better?
What?
Let me see. Let me poke it.
Okay.
Ew. Sorry, but that's fun. Yeah, look at my finger. Let me help.
No, I have to do it myself.
Let me help.
I know myself.
I can't. I'm looking at your hair through the camera.
Rub it there. Ready?
Hold on. I want to see it grow.
No, no more. No more. You can put it in your hair, but I'm not putting it in mine.
Okay, fine. That was kind of gay. I think the first one was funnier. Like,